Welcome back, guys. Part 2. This time we are going to use CNC and a plasma cutter to now take our templates and put them in here, cut them out of some steel so we can have some samples, then take that, make sure it all fits on the boat. From there, if everything fits properly, we can then put it in. But today we're just going to work on getting a template made. We're out here at Stafford's Customs. It's a machine shop I do a little work at on the side. He does all of the jet drive stuff for here in South Carolina. A lot of stuff on the East Coast. They have a bad sun-kissed tunnel jet boat named Black Sunshine. It's done a lot of stuff. So we're going to use this plasma cam software, get the measurements and everything off of the templates, put that in here. From here we can cut it out. We're ready to rock and roll. So get it measured, get it drawn, get it cut. Alright, we're starting out with a basic rectangle, and we'll come back in and add the holes, cut everything out where it needs to be. Right now we got a 28 by 9.5 inch rectangle. So have the general idea of where we need to go. And then as we dimensionalize the front motor plate, we'll go back and add in the bolt holes, cut off the sides where we want it cut down, add the center radiuses and all that stuff, clean it up, make it look really nice, and cut it out. Okay, a little bit closer. Got some post-it notes of dimensions and what we're doing. We have ear for one side, so it's 10.5 on this side, 9.5 on this side. Come back, add in radius to angle up, radius over. Same thing, radius edges, corner down over here. Radiuses, smooth it all up. Bolt holes, and then front motor plate will be done. So finish getting this side dimensionalized. Add in some more angles, and be good to go. Okay, front motor plate is done. We've got the radiuses in, the angles up, everything else should be. Got the little red dot here from where I was measuring the center of that. Making sure it was the same from when I mirrored it to over here. The only difference is this side here is a little bit shorter from where we had to cut that bracket to fit around the computer. So now we take it here, and the computer creates the code, shoots it over here, and we cut it out. Show you how it's done. You got a template? Let's see how it looks. It's gonna be close. We did make some changes. Let's see. For some redneck ingenuity, I'd say that's pretty dang close. For the first go around, we did change the radiuses up. But that's not bad. Holes are all pretty close. That might work. What do you think there, bud? Good job, Ward. Alright, back out in the shop. We got the front motor plate cut out, and we're going to test out, see how it fits up on here, see if we need to make any changes, but I think we got it pretty dang close. You know what? That is
close. We're going to make a couple little small
little
notches
there
in it, just to have some. We had a little bit of clearance issues, but so that one right there, we're all over it.
That bolt hole is smack dab on.
Yeah.
Is that the same thing on the other side, pretty much?
If I clearance this up here,
so
it'll slide into place, we'll be.
So we just basically need to move these two holes on both sides, and it'll be good.
If I notch this,
and notch that up there.
If I notch that, I can potentially just slide that right in place. So we'll go ahead and notch that real quick.
Notch that, but so basically from there we can just take it to aluminum now. So it's so close that from there we can, when we go back to do the rear, we can go ahead and do this one out of aluminum. So I'm calling the front plate done. So next video we're going to knock out the rear engine plate, and if by that time we should have the PTO adapter. Yeah, definitely knock that out. So get the PTO adapter in both plates. We can start setting the engine in the boat to make sure that we get the driveline angle correct and don't have any vibrations. Y'all stay tuned. This is just getting fun. 58 days left. This is going to be on the water.